Put a distribution bar there. Good. Put another distribution bar here. Put another one here. Should have one there. I think it's time to take those ones out. But I feel I brought it back because there was something I actually omitted. So I undo. They came back. So I was not able to take down from there. Good. Let's return to this one inside. And do the same thing here. Mm. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's return. Good. So I'm supposed to put one here. But let's see what it's gonna do. Put one here. Second of already. So the thing is, let's call this all. Let do the call out for all these ones. You go to annotate. Let's dimension that. Let me just show how, where and where they will run, where they will start, and where they will stop. So let's go. So click on this your top one. Go to your annotate. Click on top one. Then go to new. I want to create a new one now. Go to new. So create it. Now let's name this one. Let's name this one bottom bar. No, bottom bar. Let's name it bottom bar. Good. Continue in the same manner. Now you come to line. Please come to this place. Write all these settings out. They will really help you. You can choose color of your choice. Here I'm going to choose white. Choose white. Good. Go also choose everything. Choose 00. That is the line width. I want that to be very, very thin. Our bar was very thick, 0.35, but your dimension must be 0.00. So come to your lines and arrows, do the same settings. Come to your text. I want to change the text to white. White, okay. Choose white. All right, so come here. Now do the same settings. Just come do the same settings. Go to fit, do the same settings. I don't want to touch anything there. Right, yeah, my primary units now. You can see this surface. I'll type what I actually need there. Like I'm using a bar of 12. What I'm using white 12, and I'm using a spacing of 200 spacing center to center. Then I'm going to call that bottom bar. Bottom. BTM. Okay. Bottom. Then that's for that. BTM. No, good. Then for the scale factor, for the scale factor is usually 1 over the spacing that you're using. Since I'm using 200, 1 over 200 now will give you 0.005. Hmm? That is for that. That is for the scale factor. Give you 1 over 200 is 0.005. Press OK and leave that side. You can also set a new one. Let me call that one top. Create a new one now. Top bar. Let me call that one a top bar. Let me call that top bar. It was tired. Updated. Okay, you can name it anything you want. Updated distribution bar. Okay, let's go. Updated distribution bar. So the same settings, same settings. Yeah, I'll just come and put, this one for the distribution bar now. I want to use 250, or most time you can use a 300. Case may be. So I'm using a white 10. I'm not using white 12 for the distribution bar because not doing anything. It's just to hold our bars in position. You understand? That is what your distribution bar is doing. It's not really contributing that much, but it's just there to help you hold your bars that is returning. Okay. So if the BTM change, you have to change it to your distribution bar. Then your scale factor now will be 1 over 250. That should be 0.004. 1 over 250. That is what your scale factor is going to be. Put on your distribution, distribution bar. You understand? So that one is good. So let's go there. Pick on our bottom bar. Bottom bar, the one we created. So you can see this bar now, go to the dimension. This bar is going to run from here down to the second panel. You understand? Run from there down to okay. Good. Great job. Take that off. Don't want that. Okay. Go to dimension again. Good. Place it. Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. You can see it's automatically dividing and telling you the numbers of bars that will be inside that two panels. You understand? Good. Place it. Yeah. You can see. So come here. Click on this. Click on the click on this. Click on it. Take it out. 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 Good. Take it out. Good. Nice job. Nice job. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy. I'll copy that same dimension and put in a similar place. Bring this one closer. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this one, this dimension, and bring it here. Okay, since he doesn't want to copy, I feel it's not the same, so that I will just draw it down. Good. Draw this one afresh. Place it there. Good. Leave it there. Good. Nice job. So I'll take this value up. You can see this value now is 23 or so. I leave that there. So I'm gonna copy. Okay, I put this line to show that I don't want the one I'm bringing out to part. I want everything to be on the same line. So as soon as I'm done, I'll take that one off. Take it off. Okay. So this one is gonna run from here to this place. So let's start from here. Good. Take it down. Take it down. Now let it stop here. Let's stop somewhere there. Good. Nice job. Then I can now call that one out. Bring out the value inside. See? Good job. So I'll do the same for this. Take this one out. See? No. I want to leave it there. Good. Then I'll go over to do. See, I'm doing all the bottom bars for now. Okay, you see what I'm gonna do now. So I was trying to copy these ones, but the values is gonna change. Like the values will not change, but the letter will change because this one is supposed to be a top bar. But you can see what I'm copying here is just is a how will I put it? I'm copying bottom to top here. You understand? So when I'm done, I'll come to inside this one that is showing bottom. I'll change it to top. Do you understand? But it will be easier for me to copy it this way. I'm just place. Good. So the way I'm placing it because the way they will run is also the same. The way they will run is also the same.